Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna check what movie should I'm gonna watch for tonight because time permits me to watch. And I'm almost done with my uploads. 3 more uploads on my Facebook. And thank you so much guys and girls for all the supports that you gave on my channel, on my YouTube. Also on my Facebook. Here we are. Oh gosh. There's still line and how I wish there's still a last will show. Hold on. We still have 8 more minutes. Wait. What should I'm gonna watch? Not the strange frequencies. No, not holding close. Espantajo, it's already gone. 9, where are the 9:30? Oh, 9:40, Topak. 9:30 The Kingdom, maybe. 9:40 Topak. My future, no, not the one. Hold on, guys. But before I forgot, thank you, Lord, for the wonderful blessings that you give for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Abordo, and to all my 13 lovely countries. Philippines, of course, United States on the second. South Korea, Mexico, India, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, Italy, United Kingdom, and the last 3 from 11th, Brazil, on the 12th spot, Canada, and the last but not the least, Germany. Okay guys, hold on. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, and to all my Facebook viewers also, and to each every one of you. Hold on. Don't worry, we still have 6 more minutes if I'm gonna watch the 9:30 gospel show. I want it there. 9:30. Green Bones. Which one, guys? Green Bones or Topak? But I think I had my promise to Topak cast that I'm gonna watch for this. But I'm curious about the Green Bones. Ishan, really wide. Oh, guys, can you help me? Some kind of a hard to choose. Oh gosh, we still have 6 more minutes. Man. And The Kingdom. The Kingdom is also good because it's some kind of actually, guys and girls, almost of the movie. Oh, I want the where's the Uninvited. Do you have The Uninvited?
Uninvited?
Hold on, guys.
Yes, meron po. 9:30 p.m.
9:30. I think I should want to scream though. Madam Sylvia and the rest of cast of Topak. Sorry, but I feel like to scream and shout inside of the movie house, and I'm curious about this, The Uninvited. Is it on the old one or here?
Old one.
Old one. So, Madam Sylvia, Arjo Atayde, sorry but I'm gonna watch for this. Okay. And, oh gosh. I know, I promise you, but I'm gonna watch for it. Okay. I feel like I like the ensemble of and the entourage of Vilma Santos. But for now, guys and girls, thank you. So I'm gonna buy now. So I want The Uninvited.
How many things po?
Ako lang. Can I ask for a discount?
Yes po. Because, meron po yung
ID, driver's license?
no po, for CWS or CR.
No, I'm still strong. I'm not a DPWD. I want to have a discount on your own
Wala.
Oh, siguro
Available
naman.
po like,
Won't you have to give me Christmas gift? Anyway, shout out.
hi po.
Your name?
Princess po.
Princess. Okay, so we're gonna pay it now. I want the eye level,
I
please.
level J.
So I don't want somebody sitting
Nine,
beside me.
okay.
I want it there.
3.
On the left. Yeah. The first one that you. No, the second. Here. Yan. Perfect.
405.
4:05 guys and gals. Hold on. Oh gosh, 9:30, so we still have 4 more minutes guys and gals. Oh my gosh. So you better hurry. It's here. Merry Christmas once again guys and gals. Thank you so much for watching. Stay put, stay tuned. Bye for now. Bye. Mwah.